just at 8 o'clock right now, and the crowds aren't too bad. I thought it was gonna be much worse. I'm thinking maybe since I'm later than I wanted to be, there's gonna be a lot more people inside in line, but I guess we'll find out in a few minutes. Right now it's a decent crowd. In the park, headed toward VelociCoaster now. The line was pretty crazy, but it went super fast. Like, I was in line for like maybe 5 minutes outside with that huge line, but I don't know what it's gonna look like up here and how quickly they can fluctuate through all the people in the lines. There are people pretty upset because the organization's kind of low and a lot of skipping, and some people are getting very upset about it, but hey, it's okay. We're all here for the same thing. So what do you guys think about my shirt? I felt it was totally appropriate for the day. All right, finally reached the line. Opening soon, opening June 10th is gone. It says open at 9 a.m. The line just keeps going and going and going. There's no end in sight.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome. You're gonna come right this way and then you hang out on your left.
Finally found the end of the line right here in front of Kong. So they are directing the line all the way back through Forbidden Journey. I can't really even see how far deep it is, but so what you see is not all the line. There's plenty back here. So they had a couple of the tracks going through, maybe testing something wrong, I'm not sure, but once they started pumping the people through, this line is going. We literally just walked and walked and walked, and now we're at the entrance. So they have signs all over saying that the Today Show is a live set, and they're right here at the entrance. Here we go! The hype is real. Single Riders is open. I just do single rider because I'm by myself, and it saves me a ton of time. gets better every time. That was my third ride, and that was my favorite ride. They were giving away churros. The giant churro stand strikes again. Thank you. This is awesome. Got to ride the churro, get to eat a churro. So good. Oh my gosh, that ride is so incredible. The screams. The hype is real. Everybody is on cloud 9 right now. Everybody's so happy. They got free churros. Universal, you've done it again. Awesome, awesome ride. Oh, man, when I rode it the first time, I don't know if I was just distracted and I didn't really get to appreciate it all. And I thought that Hagrid was my favorite. And riding it the third time, I think the charts have finally shifted that I do think this is better than Hagrid. I love Hagrid so much. But like I said, it was just happening so fast. Now I actually got to see all the Velociraptors. I knew what to look for. And yeah, I think this is the new Universal #1 ride. So it was at 240 minutes and they took it down to 180 minutes. So it seems like the line's getting much smaller and people haven't really started getting back in line yet. It doesn't look like. Looks like it's a much smaller line than it was when I was in there. So, hey, that's a thumbs up. There's a news station checking us out. Well, thank you guys so much for watching our little tour of the opening day here at Universal Orlando Resort, celebrating Jurassic World's VelociCoaster. Incredible, incredible ride. You guys have to come check it out for yourself. Videos don't do it justice. These vlogs don't do it justice. You guys have to come try it out for yourself. We do have a new kids channel that we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers so we can start monetizing. So if you guys have kids, it would be a great help if you were to check it out. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.